Wagashi, Amandi, Bagaganga. Hey, where did he? Wagashi, Amandi, Bagaganga. Where did he? Wagashi, Amandi, Bagaganga. Where did he? Wagashi, Amandi, Bagaganga. If you like for 40 Wagashi down.
This is Adwuma Adwuma. More fire. Black Rasta Festival.
Azonto a confirm. Azonto a confirm. Soda. But I'm telling my ball. Header. Chester. Okay, Mati. Soda. Kande imani. Lego imani go. Imam, what's my mic now? Lego imani, but something now. Imani. Where you Allah? To the left, Allah. To the right, Allah. To the middle, Allah. Everybody now. Azonto a confirm me. Because some of you might remember why. Azonto a confirm me. Maybe so. What did he? Wagashi, Amandi, Baga Felicia. What did he? Wagashi, Amandi. What did he? Wagashi, Amandi, Bagadanda. Where did he? Wagashi, Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world. This is Africa's biggest song. Yeah, Chatter House, fan from. Woyo Messidai. Okay, Allah. Woyo Messidai. Which will come here. Azonto a confirming. It's all fan from. It's all fan. Chatter House. Move fan from. Messidai. Ayo de Allah. Woyo Messidai. Azonto a confirming. This is cinematic. Azonto ma confirming. Felicia Tietie. Right now the mood are there inside where. If you like Star by Dubai, your mind there. My mind there. My mind there. My mind there. My mind there. I feel me see it there. That house, funny from. My funny from where me nomination. Me go US. Monka check that house for say me go US. But most popular song in US are the form. I they go pop me say there. Pop Ghana Entertainment Music Awards. I they come pop yes next month. Why pop me say there. I they fly. Chatter House the song where you know dominate. Peep Allah. Chatter House Allah. Hey where? Hey. I'm a piano king. Azonto a confirm me. You don't say if you maybe that mom. Hey, DJ Azonto. The way the economy make it here. Atareba ko be 10 billion. Felicia me boa. Iti Ronya we there. America me go we there. America want to get to America. Hey, we there. America area. I go America. They there. Why? Beep pop. Beep. If I reach there, no. If you did dance, we have to go dance. Hey, Ghana music. Hey, me refuse Ghana music. America was. Hey, America for no MU. Beep po. America for no. I say Ghana Entertainment Music Awards. Any Ghana Music Awards. Catch a crowd in the.
Tenase.
So me TikTok why?
Tenase why?
The cameraman oh try me oh try so who da.
Why the fenya the fault?
Only say me so my bon.
Aden.
Who the first day me buy no? Me Felicia say me who da o. Only say TikTokers no me masantoa. Me ni
ba what you mudini?
Yeah, ba ti o nyina din, ba ti obi edin.
Na ti obi di ankohwehwe no.
Me no say me hu ha.
Aha.
Wow.
Me hu di aye.
Na say dem ti odi ni me say o ya come say.
But can I come to the table no so?
Aha.
Like a woman now was through.
Why be done?
They say something you come say next.
Like how you do fukakra.
At Tobontene. Then what be no one now bending.
Oh, Felicia.
At the whole air trend, yang.
Menu mirin fusa.
In Yagro.
One day, Menu Safi, Miss Omis.
I ha.
And did have me border suspect.
Oh, Viano.
It's not your summer.
Oh, man, I refuse. Some man, I refuse.
I'm a partner, DJ, also, yo.
Onu de onim ona enkoyi na dance.
Me didn't say. That's a bad.
Utimi ye fe wana aya na wo hye da ye ma.
I'm sure I am maybe. But
I dey tuetu mu o ma anya ne man.
Etuetu mu.
Na bia tutu.
Me da perform ni ade.
Na bia yi.
Eyi. E ka wan kra me hye.
E ka wan kra me hye.
The one now show.
The one now.
Ana me boa. It me the only artist in Ghana. Me the only artist in Ghana. Borrow car for video. Apart from me, all the artists in Ghana, I'm borrow rig. Hey, borrow cars.
I'm borrow artists no more Ghana borrow cars for videos.
Lifestyle, no, not for video, for everything.
I didn't hear.
You come if you borrow cars if you.
What do I need to be?
Apart from me, I'm telling you. Me the new una.
Idia dancing. The artists when I couldn't if you no borrow cars.
Oh no, I underground me boni dia.
O de nya hwe.
Sagaribewe.
Oh boy, so
and who go ko.
Oh sure. Oh sure wouldn't.
Oh that be sorry friend.
You've seen to borrow card every video.
Yes.
And you better know about Sagaribewe, you better know about.
Obedio undio besagari na wahi. Sagari na re DJ come and beat
VJ me hu wo ho. No wa show wedding gown come on.
Me da say because unu say me buy promise me say me nti obeba.
I sent them buy no.
But when him say we maestro ono go concern we no ni mo bia. O say it Felicia wo na ultra picture ready me post this so.
Wa hwe.
Fa che me.
Enya hwe me hu wo. Na ya nominate na o fa ho sa na ka nominate di anka onya easy.
You know shame on you nominate me njom.
What so fa ho anana ukoja word na be start ade fofora na.
Dabi na unu say award no. Ye body no na me him here. Tama ye bo Dominic I'm share me here fast here.
I did that.
And oh we ya no negita me.
And so the fatal think in the fatal.
Oh it him Mr. Zion Felix ni ba ko no energy kwaku.
Je hyper.
Zion hyper. Zion hyper na ba ko bi kokonsa. Me see no nim. They are they part of the board because only say me nya award.
Only say wunya.
Say there yeah all your must get ready on the to me so no. Azonto, all the time, we are sure now we are swear. Bad luck. Zion to the main winning award. Zion mami bad luck. Because before that time, I move Vodafone. Me talk credit over Vodafone. That day, first time, you took 10,000 worth of credit for my fans. Some of them drove from Kumasi, if I trot and share with a bus. Vodafone Accra, they know I have a video on my phone. That is why I'm telling you that. To be honest, I challenged, and this is good. The last time I'm challenging Kewa. But me, I'm a friend of one fat. Kingdom, a friend guy is saying, man, Fifi Pratt, I'm a friend now, one fat. I'm telling you that Kewa's artist who won the thing last minute. Kewa himself, he doesn't know the shortcode to the vote. So yeah, made me Maserati to so say if Kewa knows the shortcode, made the Maserati the man. That day made the Maserati the call last week Friday or so. And they called me quick, they didn't pick. Me saying friend, but right now they was here. Yeah, Africa, I'm to say the day. Also, me we video me. This is the first time when we have for money by Adwuma Felicia. First time I'm out. I'm say did you vote? First time. Did you vote? Did you vote? Ask Kewa what be the short code. This is my next track. Did you vote? Did you vote?
On your next one, I be releasing.
Yeah.
Did you vote?
Yeah, me releasing many Abuchi apology song to my wife. The same station I me call someone for Kewa Kingdom no. Me call no, and I make a car say me.
Now who is so deserving of my farm?
Oh,
because
of course.
Because I said before, say you be VJ me no ba hanum.
Of course.
Yes.
So be here.
And you is your bank to.
Open my set for your bank. Me I know that. Oh, momo. Open my 7 account. But you know sa. And
you is you do award singing na guha.
Yes,
and then the one farm bad day.
And I'll go ahead. So let me say.
Easy.
But all the same, you know, maybe say Obia. The reason why I'm doing music is that it's not necessarily for the money.
Okay.
But let me use this platform. My platform were very big, the biggest, one of the biggest in the world. So let me use this platform. Let me go to let me patch on my knees. I am begging the whole Ghana, all the event companies or whatever. I am on my knees begging them, please, if you don't have 100,000, don't contact my management. Don't contact me. I have stopped playing 50,000, 80,000 shows. 99,000 menje. It's member
99.9 crowd.
Menje.
100,000.
Yes.
At an show.
Because America, Ghana Music Awards America. They are paying me more than 100,000. They said your song is the biggest in America, the biggest Ghanaian song in America. So I have been nominated as one of the new artists, Ghana Music Awards, Ghana Music Awards USA, and Ghana Entertainment Music Awards. And both of them, they are paying me more than 100,000.
Into a chopper way for
Ghana Hano. Yeah, almost. They don't value the artists.
Okay.
But it's Mr. The last cheap show I'm about 50,000. Just Friday, Saturday. Akimas. As a man can say. Oh, as a man can say.
50,000.
But me announce it to me first and I say, and then last because I know me G no. Na me call VGM, but VGM ama. Standard, yeah, VGM. So let me thank Robert for not nominating me my song, right? Yeah, for not even giving me the award, which I knew. Now I know I didn't deserve, but I knew, I thought that maybe it's one of my units I deserved. But
I also deserve.
Me don't must say, me the rejected stone, because the rejected stone is always the head of the cornerstone.
Okay.
David, he was rejected in the farm. Oba area say Jesus so Nazareth. Yes, so so baby betu me free Nazareth Abba. Oh, Felicia say Mombra meshe ate kwano ye be ndi akri ene de no Mombra meshe. Felicia on say o sorry o Pentecost. It's been releasing new one summer and they are releasing new one summer Pentecost and all Christians.
Okay.
I mean, and Ramiko Bo show at Inca kids. Okay. I said in Kualano, me therefore mubu me mu in Kualano. Now me this small girl because the youngest twerker in the whole world. Fatty, we did 2 years. What's the Fatty twerking? What I don't know. Fatty twerk for the Lord. No, they are sorry for sorry pastors. No. E passport visa was you. Aha. I don't know why. There are so many people. So why are Ghanaians questioning my way of dressing? Why? It's being better than me. Apology no there. Me go so catch event organizers, TV stations.
So
Mr. Radio stations.
100,000. 100,000.
Because I have been nominated, and I have been nominated. I've been invited. Extravated to America just next month. They're asking me of my passport. They are in rush to get me. So now I know my value. Thanks to VGMS for outlining me. I thank them very much. Now someone should send a letter to VGMA that.
Now outline Ben, how nominate you to outline Ben?
Award no. Send me your Jumas in last minute. And I may say, Opa, I'll dare with my J-Wagon right now. Call Kewa right now. Ask him, Kewa, did you vote for last minute? Well, Kewa should show me evidence, except he has deleted only that message, leaving all the messages on his phone. Kewa should prove to us that did he vote for last minute? So then last minute, I'm here. Because Anya made the idea, last minute deserving. I said, congratulations to my brother last minute. But I want to know what he did that I didn't do so that the other people will learn. Because Ghanaians and everybody know that I worked harder than you.
Say you feel so much it you.
No. Me feel say I'm a boy me mum. Me want to see me here. We are so busy so. What relationship na be my sister. Because me nyansani. Na me aduma wo me so no nipa to menje. Inti area say pedifo bu be say who is here nansia. Because no ntia. Na me nhyira kese anya me de be ma wo. nipa destiny. Your wisdom. Iti anansi no can say on one of the wisest animals, right? Which is the spider. Iti they say who got one anansi abunu. Now yes, we see anansi.
Into VJ sisi wana seki wana sisi wana last minute sisi when sisi.
More presenters no more sisi me.
Say
yeah,
I want to
organize it. Tell me the and Dusty, obedi and Dusty because Matesa was board no so.
Okay.
He invited to my song saved and Dusty from disgrace.
Translate as I mean.
Enka mo je me come here me.
Ebe your change in the door so. Real.
Yeah, and I invested more than 20 billion that night. VGMA. Did I hear me?
20 saying
billion.
Onua FM 95.1.
Yeah.
Who invest?
My hair, my heel, my lipstick, my perfume, my diamond, that is not going to shine. My diamond chains, watch, and everything. I shopped. Yeah, because to me, VGMA in Ghana is our BET.
Exactly.
And
before I tell to us, also when you a save and the Dusty from disgrace.
Yes. My song saved and Dusty. I have the video too. Or they make a cut. I'll prove.
We'll prove it.
Yeah, I'll prove it. I am ready to face and Dusty at the court. Because and Dusty in Komo Jinisika, and Dusty was paid a huge sum of money. And also, ladies and gentlemen, I have a surprise for you. So let me also, I want to question Andy Dusty with all due respect. On himself, please, Mama, to stay a seminar. But with all due respect, I want to question Honorable Big Man Andy Dusty. Big Man, why didn't you play last week's song? You are one of the board members who chose last week as the new artist of the. Look at how disgraceful he was on the stage. Say no, namope. I don't know, Andrew, I'm entertaining the whole National Theatre and Kuala no be any aji. And thanks to VJ Chat House, that 1 minute or 2 minutes they gave me. I saw Ayo up on the feet dancing. I saw Kewa. I have a video. Kewa was dancing to my song and smiling. You understand? So why did it? My song saved and Dusty.
I don't know why.
I don't know. Can't say. Oh yeah, chico. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a surprise. I don't want to drop it like the Friday night. Now no drop it for the phone. No be sorry. In Kankophonic music one the Dusty. It's only to me and lobby. They know what I can do. So none of them, the board members, and to me, say, oh,
normally, where say
let's call it
VJ. I was there, and I normally say artists, a corner say your board nominations. When I say when you award, or Bob one thing, say, how do you feel? Also, Obi award category maybe I deserved it, but I'm going back to my drawing board. The man, I'll sit down and then do it right. I don't know. Blame my wood. There was when you have brave woman and last minute no issue that dance away by now.
Last is my very good friend.
Okay.
Me. Oh, that time last minute I did 30,000. Say, they did block. That time when you buy for now.
I think.
And I mean, show. And I mean, me catch myself. Last year Easter.
Oh wow.
Ojra, yeah, sorry, Ojra. What I say?
That's what penasem.
Oh, I me penasem 100%. It me congratulate you, no.
Okay.
But I want to know what he did that some of us.
And I say, and you no.
Because you cannot tell me that on your votes, Timothy.
If you
cannot tell me that on your votes. Okay. Last week cannot tell me that he performs better than I do.
Okay.
Which you know, he cannot tell me that he be anywhere. Last week in June be anywhere is such a funny form.
Okay.
Because your last week in June about Mama Ketuman on him. So you need be last week in June. DJ be crying him, presenter be crying him. Me mama on him. My mother doesn't. Last mother, with all due respect, knows of my song. But my mother doesn't know last song.
Last never catch us on him.
Me say the president. A good father knows fan form. Me can be allow you. Me don't me say allow you.
Last minute, I don't know I want the banokran. No him last minute, umomonyum de wate.
You can't know.
And I say last minute, no issue. VJ me board no more issue. I think say you should direct
video. Me say more.
More so some member no free. I didn't so.
Hey, Italian come. Me say me do fear my member some say. Nakatim. Okay, you ban me from awards. I don't fear Vichata from banning from the awards, but my fear is them banning me to us on the red carpet. I know they have me. Red carpet already. It's not me Raymond award already. But I have more than 100 awards by the grace of God.
Not know when you agree with who I say.
Maybe some is there. Now moving on.
And I don't think
so. They should come out and tell me what he did that I didn't do, or you don't understand. Because
now,
you know my song is bigger than that.
Have you approached them? I approach you. Why bank sa ko honum? So you maybe more. Now more.
Dabi, it's a TikToker.
It's no
me. You idea. Mun kan we be. Dabi ni about no. Mr. Ozia unti me flex TikTokers no.
Dabi nya botre.
Ebo ame.
Say see anya
later.
We and then the side business.
So kasa final.
Enya no kre. Obwa.
Felicia.
Say see ano.
Come up crowd that.
Tesiano.
Is he losing God? Yakasa.
That's on you come in real.
Yeah, of course. Everything of mine is real. That is why I say Mama Kewa me Maserati no. And I want to say. Saka one friend no fire no can code na.
Me koka what dia si what was yenyai. Me do ko sinchen no asa be hurage. Me say wo kwan.
Everything is real.
Me say wo kwan.
Me America. Me be say me ni chata wale yes sorry miss no. Ade America.
What to Canada? And your first time? What to Canada? Your first time? Because they will see announcement.
Very good question. Me to Canada, but me go America da.
Okay.
You know why? I'm overjoyed.
No.
I'm overjoyed because me American visa 5 years.
Okay.
Yeah, mommy blue sheet.
Okay.
I have the evidence there. Yeah, mommy blue sheet. You know that I cannot lie to the embassy. Your platform is big. Yes. And the United States of America, they gave me. And they asked me to go for my school documents. Before God, man, I cannot find it. I cannot find it. I cannot even find my Ghana national ID card. I cannot find my ATM too.
When you organize that.
And I cannot even find some of my car keys. As I'm talking to you now, everybody, if you like, some maybe a phone and baby, bisa baby, I may say, me feel back away, myself, me car back over 3 weeks. Me call them, me the key to na many times to share.
So
I'm not lying. My guys have been outside.
When you organize though. So instead of telling you to ask no, so
okay, me said about describing it here.
When you organize because it's idea who here would dear.
Yes, I feel a mission. Me focus more. Only say Sisiano. See, me obia. Say, imagine a quad yes wa. The time I mentioned me from the moon. Sanity, the car there is there. I don't care. Me see so my first car me toy Corolla S. That time it was like a Range Rover. They stole my Corolla S. My brother, it's and then I'm mother kiosk man. I don't care losing anything in life except God. What I say, I mean, apart from me, God gives me this confidence.
Well, what's a minute for interview? Yeah. When I think so, the first person, interviewer, you busa some other cocoa see baby. Never refer some busa was all cocoa see mechi. And no one will see my name. Now, I don't have a cocoa. I go to and I beg go executive club account. Wait.
This is Adwuma Adwuma. Black Rasta. Funny from. Funny from. This is Adwuma Adwuma. Funny from. Black Rasta. Funny from.
What's going on there with book?
Shame on you.
What's going on?
Shame on you. Most could not be a school prefect.
Now, who had you are born? Maybe I'm not person of the ma one day.
Sir.
Oh, of course. Because I'm in my brain, but my family because of 1 or 2 reasons. Maybe I know who are fans.
And I said, Miss Gomes, chat house.
Let's chat house of where we are one now.
I will say, Obi born number, the award money there. When I was it?
Miss school.
Yeah.
Miss school. Also, you know, so now, yeah. Then I will know.
Come on.
We are disorganized person.
Yes, okay. We say, bro, for me, okay. But I am the most expensive artist in Ghana.
What makes you expensive?
My jewels, my fan form alone makes me the most expensive. I have cashed out over billions.
Then I never them pan. They move on. They do the atron. I can fat test about someone a bear green. Oh, I don't know person who they make some Ghana from. Send that first. Me test a call. Me test a call. Green. It's so green. I'm going to start the test and it. But a bit too much. I mean, I want to be me. Theo, Uti. So me driving in car. Me share me room. Only me share me side mirror. Also, boy, so she say, Obi, quite dress here.
Also, to be dressing, no chamo. Be say, am I? I don't even look in the mirror. Me, I don't even.
I think that's why you look like this.
Yes, I don't, because I don't expect anyone to tell me I'm nice.
Exactly.
What you have to tell me is to send me receipts. If you can't give me receipts, you don't mean anything to me. Won't you say? Yeah.
So,
me family penny hear me.
Last time, family here.
Yeah.
Makai. Last time, also my message I saw dressing man.
Say me, Obama mejai momo no send ya mejai.
Oh yeah, there.
If she also asked me to stop sending the momo, I'll stop.
Oja was kabisa.
Yes. Me got that because Oja was kabisa. Me mami umbise miska. So mami jai momo send ya. Umbisa me na my yama no.
Okay.
No, my mother there. No. Munche. Wa be try on mami umbise miska. Say be uni nyansa.
And I saw Nibi.
That be uni be say. You can nyame am say me na me no uni bi. Na wo uni bi wan go for your own baby. Ya wo wan say o menye bi. That be what the 18 ye baby that those try or snap. No ma me just say also I celebrate on my obi. No ma copy am out. My mother is sick, send 20 cedi. Oh, you are looking nice. Way be you. Boss, I know they get you. You see, they have a way of getting you into the communication. You do all. No matter to one of your lines, Charlie, the mood that they inside. Yeah, it is today. Who say, will be person why your video 1, 2, 3. Next day, what to be? No, that is not how we started. What I say? It's over. Say, oh yeah, baby, na baby Andrew. Into me, mommy. So, baby, me jai momo no. SND. No, me jai admission this year. Because I'm wearing this because of my mother and my wife and my kids. That is why only these 3 people matter to me in this world. Do you get it?
Into Osei Felicia and wife sit through. How does she feel?
And I'm
just
wearing this
for them.
Yes,
because they like it.
Yes, but
it's your brand.
And I am sorry for making a matter too expensive. You see, a matter. You see, I made a repetition. To me, almost I must say I go another station. Because you see, because of me, Ghana for now. This is Katamata station right there. Aha! I deserve to say the red carpet. Most celebrities, some you know, they lie. Because performance, I'm guessing. Kwalani some boa. No video. Hey, wig by Zara. Lipstick by Mara. Hair by Dora. Proudly brought to you by a plug in Cantamanto. I'll be lie. Ghana red carpet, they lie.
I'll be lie.
Yeah.
I'll be lie.
Apart from me, all of them lied on. Most of them. Yeah, apart from me, most of the celebrities lied on the red carpet.
Until some member Moja Mumune sending, Dobeke Bien had by Yasem.
Dobeke Bia made by Yasem. I asked Mama me. Mr. Hammy. But so, me Jaya, because that is why I'm telling you. God's grace, she is aware that Mr. T, we know, the chop money in the Midrobono. She's aware. Mama and she cry no. Do I need to say? Bibi say me kosa no Mother's Day no. Bibi anton chen. Akwala na mo be nyina me mo bi esika. The only problem my wife and my mother have is that na me obi na me ye mom dada. So if I don't do krana, and this is what God revealed to me to do. They don't understand that if I stop doing this, if I stop doing what God, and I say Noah, my say Moses.
No one to train any Coradian.
Who's on him?
No one.
There why?
And I was asking Moses. Oh, quite sorry.
What's on him? Oh, stop taking care. Only answer you. Me Osei Felicia.
There been a say no one. And you know what? Oh, share that.
And they can't. Win him. But 1,000 to so. But 10,000 to so.
Oh, fat.
Felicia.
Win him.
Producer. More blog. I'm blogging so.
Win him.
Now why?
When they try to use your head.
And why? Me say no.
Gomora.
Theodore Agora. Hey, TikTokers. We know you TikTok. But I'm say TikTok. You from say. Na say buy. No say man time no be account. On say na say buy no. Do you know one funny thing? The day Ghanaians were bashing me for my dress, and they were praising appalling Sugar Titi. Now no so you interview me. So share ya. And sister, you hard working. Moja Sugar Titi be coming matare. Hey, Ghana for excuse me. I am going to America. Some say America for say I have the biggest hit. Ghana Music America Awards. US. Ghana Music Award USA. Ghana Entertainment Awards. My song is one of the biggest. I've been nominated. Congratulations. And I know that.
Which radio school and come cry and pass exam so. Because me come tell ka doc and mean
what
is going on?
Now me Sunday school teacher so.
And
I'm tell say you can reject me, but America will accept me.
Just the same way or find a corner of the business.
What American visa no? Yankwa me down for na me pena yes me go for me way mbra. So I lost it. I brought my top ticket.
Go for the mbra.
Me go for me school terminal report and I can say certificate.
Now say what kind of first? Not see
and the reason why I'm happy that I've been rejected. So, but here's the case. I have a free visa, free accommodation, free convoy, free. They are giving me nice. America is giving me nice.
Hey, no Monday they want more crowd. Now more family Friday because Monday my better
now.
Producer financial Monday, Monday a mass and a science. P Mondays. Where they P straight up and down and my Monday
minimum science so. Velocity. DJ
Nana kwame for DJ Azonto and Mama Mondays be. Either Saturday quite a financial member Saturday about and financial
Saturday. Last one, Mr. Wilson, owner of Sky FM. And of family, and almost sometimes not radio, not me gospel. I won't say be new. Then I me mid morning say not me gospel. What I say, and Sundays, not me Pink FM. Inti, not me feel me call Prime FM. And I observe and I say me gospel. I don't say that be Saturday.
No, be Saturday.
I don't know my fuck off DJ Azonto.
Wait. Now, I bet Shaha.
Where man award?
Yeah. Yanka new song no. New song.
New song with Almighty. Until let me use this opportunity to thank him.
Okay.
Because of him, I'm not paying TikTokers. Why baby amame? Lewin.
Because on Tuntia.
That next song me TikTokers.
But when they one man be sama.
Where dia fa?
Okay.
But then I say why baby amame? DJ me menya award.
And next one for na why?
Oh.
Neja tuya.
Oh Felicia, so no Felicia.
Me find the person so be he to nyuma dey say wuhia. Me gina we na TikTokers nyina say DJ Azonto.
Lewin, too many get the broken man. Azonto, I come. Lewin, too many get the broken man. This is Adwuma Adwuma. Lewin, too many get the broken man. Azonto, I confirm. The patrol, yes, I know. It's a stranger now. Hey, what's the Tutua? I think already met you. My dear Biara, my what be a good you be on. The Biara about fire. And we go fire. The thing, it be Father or it be Brother Bernard. Father Bernard Bompire, mammy. Father Bernard Bompire, mammy. Yes, class for this, why I'm here. Yes, class for this, why I'm here. Father Bernard Bompire, mammy. Father Bernard Bompire, mammy. Yes, class for this, why I'm here. Yes, class. 1, 2, 3. This is Adwuma Adwuma. Black Rasta. Fire. Recap and not one thing. Lufia. Me mama Sarah. I'm not seeing baby say. Father Bernard Bompire mammy. Father Bernard Bompire mammy. Yes, he got yes, everybody now. Father Bernard Bompire mammy. Felicia my brother Bompire mammy. Yes, when I went America, free visa,
Free first time, challenge you. I know the Felicia and I'm a boy. Oba cry, me could be take me the TikTok tobacco. I go Dubai, cry forget Faroa, Narawa.
What they were could Dubai?
Yeah. This year me the TikTok tobacco could Dubai.
When you be an answer, who so she?
Sanya wodi apo bi mami. Felicia.
Therefore, mestre some of fanche me bebre. We dey be in CBM. And a man dey men yam say be what many producer Becca and na bibia say BC and the chef ya na say me da mo fanche bebre. I hire Adwuma Onua 95.1 FM from Felicia Osei fine girls in na class prefect. Me producer na Kwame Jan and the Dwuma dey come say bremo. Robert Edeko social media. Don't reach Edeko Facebook. DWEN and Obama me pa ko say me gina me inside bonkum so. Many DJ Azonto and a year Jumedie. Now, DJ Azonto.
Yeah.
Last words
goes to, and the message drop here and the new one.
Okay. Time
by 6 p.m.
Okay.
Bone standing. Yeah. It's my first time gospel. My first gospel. Bone standing. There's a bone standing. Ezekiel prophesy. Okay, Mr. Tini say, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. Makwesi Arthur. Why are you laughing? Okay, you can laugh. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. Kwesi R. And my memory verse is taken from the book of Ezekiel, chapter 37, verse 4. And the Lord said to Ezekiel, prophesy unto these bones. And they join to serve the Lord. Both standing. Ezekiel prophesied to the dry bone. Ezekiel prophesied to the dry. Ezekiel prophesied to the dry bone. And they join from the head bone connected to the shoulder bone. That will be a yamba. I am moving to. And you are being your member. And you might be a two. What could you see more yet? Made our Syria. Better go say free songs.
I say.
Okay, tell me gospel be any and you might buy. Gospel be any every gospel song to be I hate be a Pentecost you chain free. You go Pentecost me Sunday school teacher. Nti we Pentecost I just only Pentecost ni.
You made opinion.
Oh, Felicia Felicia me I drink a cram you say did kakra so like Felicia oh a guy woman papa. But that me am Ankola. This is my first gospel song.
Pong.
Okay. Me power. Now I want to say a very big thank you to the organizers of Ghana Music Awards USA. And then I want to also say a very big thank you to the organizers of Ghana Entertainment Awards USA. So please, Onua, me patro, I want to say a very big thank you to them for offering me free visa, free tickets, free accommodation, free convoy, and money. So I am also taking this opportunity, and I'm begging every event organizer, if you don't have 100,000. No. Maybe Felicia. Felicia. Say who share Felicia. Now we do your marketing. Uko maybe sounds so uko. Where am green carpet? Where the catch up say, hey, share the followers. TikTok. My popular. It's it. Mbacho, organizer be only 100,000. Please, I beg you. Don't call me. Then you say I've already said it, and this is a big platform. Where are you?
Totina 74, the supportive treatment. So what you're ready to say, kidney disease, liver disease, HIV COVID, fibroid ulcers, candidiasis, asthma, fatigue, syphilis, gonorrhea. That's a woman Munra name over here Totina 74, not the account when I boost your immune system and I watch now so ye. Totina 74.